Hi, today I'd like to show you my arrangement for Summertime by George Gershwin for a 3-string cigar box guitar, fretless, just with a slide. It's also done by so many people, but Janis Joplin most notably. I'm tuned to G, G on the low string, D in the middle, G on the high string. And what I've done is I've tried to add some of the bass notes in with the melody. So that's what I'm going to do, is I'm going to show you the melody lick and then a couple bass notes that you can add in there. The chords to the song, we're going to start off with the chords, are 0, which is G. Technically it's a G minor, but we don't have to really worry about that. If it's really important to you, you can play it like this, with a 3 here. I just do the open 3 strings. That's kind of the intro to the song. So I do the first melody line, which is 7, 3, 7. Then I go over here where the bass is, and I play 7, 8. And then it's time to do the next melody line. This one we have time to go 7, 8, 7. Then I do the next melody line, which is 7, 3, 5. And when I do that, I try to hit that twice, and I try to hit this once over here. Same fret, other string. And I try to go down chromatically, like that. And then, as I get to the 3rd fret, I play the next melody part, which is 3, 0, 3, and then to 2. 2 can also be found up here on 7 on the middle string, and that way you can add the chord. Then I go up to 8. And then we're back to the first melody. And then there's the turnaround of the song, which is open middle string, and 3 on the middle string. And I grab 3 on the low string at the same time, which is a bit of a B flat chord. I don't really want to grab the whole chord because we're going to come over there for a melody note. So 0, 3, then 0, 3 again, then 0 on the high string, and then I grab all 3 strings. 3 on the high string, letting the other ones ring, then up to 7, then to 5, and I play all 3 strings usually for 5. Back to 7. Oh, I think I go to the 3 first. Yeah, 3, and up to 7. That's it, Don't You Cry part. And then back to the beginning of the song.